Hello loves, welcome to Uniek Makes by Christina. Today I have a Temu haul, another goodie. I do also have a Temu code that you can go ahead and use, so go ahead and use that if you reinstated your Temu app, and if you are a new to Temu, go ahead and use that. And I also want to thank everybody who's been using my Temu code and whatnot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, let's get into this little bag of goodies and see what I got this time. Okay, I did buy some paper straws. I have, this one's actually kind of beat up. I did buy some paper straws I would like to use during Halloween for some crafting projects. This does come with 100. I wanted something that was universal, so I did get the black with the white stars on that one. And this is a 100 pack. Look at that. How cute are those? I got a lot of ideas for these. So I got those. Next thing I hauled here is some nails. Now I did haul some purple with black. I do like them. The only thing is they're press-on, so you know they do fall off. It doesn't last too long, but I do love these. For the price and with what you get, I do like these press-on nails. And like I said, the price, you can't beat the price on this. But I will recommend, if you want it to last a little longer, use the little tabs, but then you might want to put some glue on the sides just to hold it so it lasts longer. I think the one that I had lasted a few days, but then again, I did not alcohol my nails, so I still had the oils from my hands. But yeah, I do love the nails. They are great. This is a pretty color. So I got this one, and like I said, it does come with a nail file, and it does come with your little sticky tabs. So you'll place that on top. You'll clean your nail off, which I didn't do the first time, but you clean the nail off, and then you could also even do a little light filing on there. And then you'll put the sticker. Do not touch it with your fingers, so you just want to place the stickers on your fingers. Once you're ready to put your nails on, peel off the sticker on them. So I really like those. I got those ones. Another thing I hauled were these jemmies. These are actually real nice. I'm not sure how many you get, but I did get these. These are in a line. All you have to do is cut them. So I got these for my embellishments. I wanted something with more color. I got that one. And look how nice that is. Actually, let me take it out. And actually, these are not connected, so they are individual. Look at that. Look at that shine on that. So these are basically the same thing that I usually buy at Hobby Lobby. Okay, I also got another set of nails. Like I said, I do like these. Let me open these so we can look at these. So it does come with your little sticky tabs, and then it does come with the nail file right there. And then check out these. How nice are those? And it's actually really, really good. I do like these. But nice. Love it. Those ones. Okay, another thing I did haul was this clay cutter. Now this one was a little expensive, but it was too nice to pass up. Look at that. So this is a bouquet. Yeah. So it's a bouquet, and it does have little skulls for the flower part. That is so awesome. So I got this one. I did haul some more jemmies. This is a light blue one. Look at that. Now this one's a little beat up because I think for the traveling, but look at that. These are actually pearl. Yeah. I got the blue ones here. Look at that. And these are also separate. Let's see. Yeah, they're also separate. I got those there. I have another clay cutter, and this one is a skull. So you do have the skull shape, and then you got the part for the eyes and nose. Look at that. So you'll put it, I'll have to see how you do this one. I'm guessing it's separate, but yeah, you got those two. And this one wasn't expensive at all. Next thing I have are some gingies. Look how cute these are. As you know, the holidays are coming, and soon enough Christmas will be here. So I got some gingy charms. Look at those. How cute are those? Look at that. And there's a good thickness. And you do get 10 of these. Love those. Those are so cute. Okay, I also hauled a word die. And let me see if I can remember this one. Okay, I got this word die, and it does come in 2 pieces. And I suck at reading this backwards, but I think it says, every good and perfect gift comes from I don't know what the bottom was. Oh, okay, I got it. Every good and perfect gift comes from God. So I found that, and I had to have that one. Love the message. Like that. Also got some more Christmas, and these are some Santa Claus. These actually, I saw these, I was like, wow, I am impressed. Look at that. How nice are those? You do get 6. I wish it was 10, but hey, it's actually a really good size. Look at that. Love, love, love. I have some more Christmas. I believe these are charms also. Yeah. And these are snowmen, and they're clear. And these are actually flatbacks, but if you look at them, they're thick enough to put an ice screw in there. Look at how cute these are. And they do have like glitter inside of it. But look at the cutie patooties. I saw these, I had to have these. These are real nice. Okay, another thing I hauled, I can't see it, so let's open this up. Oh, I like these. These are little haunted houses, and they are the little alloy charms, and they are in gold. Look at that. How cute are those? Love that. And you get 10 of those. Okay, I also have another Christmas one. This one I think is one of my favorites. And these are Christmas trees. Look at that. How awesome are these? Then we put in your little dangles. Look at that. Got some Christmas. Love these. These are my favorite. And it is a good thickness. There's really good quality on that. I do recommend those. All these charms are really nice. Okay, I have another Christmas one here to share. Check these out. And then, so like the snowman, these are also the clear one with a little bit of glitter in there. But look at the Christmas trees. And these are also flat backs, yeah. But you can easily put an eye screw in it. You could probably put on the side or something. But look at that. How cute are these? Look at that. Or you could just use it as a little embellishment. Either or. Love it. Love, love, love. And I'll have all the links below if it's available. So go ahead and make sure you check them out. Okay, these are like bead caps. But want them for, well, they're bead caps, but you can also use them for, okay, these are actually bead caps. Yeah, they're at the bottom. But these are like miniature crowns. Look at that. And you get 10 of them. So all you do is you could glue your bead at the bottom, and you could actually have it as a dangle, or make it a little charm or something like that. We got that. You get 10 of those. Love it. And the metal is actually pretty heavy, so that works for me. Okay, the next thing I hauled, I saw these and I was OMG. Look at that. They're like a spider heart charm. And look at the gemmy. This one is going to have to be a repeat buy. And it's actually got some weight to it. Look at that. Love it. Love, love, love. Next thing I have here are some bats. Look at these cutie patooties. Look at that. Look at those. So you get 10 of those also. And this comes in silver. I got those. I try to get other colors other than pink, because I do tend to get a lot of pink, so I try to get a different variety. And then I did get a stamp. I got a grunge stamp here. See, hopefully there's no glare, but it just comes like some distressed diamonds, distressed squares, some lines. So I got this to add some distressed looks to some of my projects, because I do love mixed media also. I got that one. And then the last thing I hauled was this Halloween stamp. Let me open this one. Okay, so this one, this is a little skull with eyeballs. I saw this, I was like, oh, I have to have this one. Look at that. Let me see if I got a paper. Let me show it to you on here. Look at that. How awesome is that? So it does come with some sentiments, some eyeballs, which I love. And then you do have a little skull here. You have a little character, looks like a mummy ghost or something in there. But yeah, I saw this, I needed this. Now it doesn't have a coordinating die, which is fine. I could just fussy cut it. So yeah, that is all of my haul that I want to share with you. I will have all the links below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.